Hey everyone, Justin here, and today we have the unboxing of the brand new MacBook Neo. You can see from the front of the device here, you have a picture of the laptop. We got the citrus color for those that voted on Instagram. And on the back, we've got some basic information. This model is the one with Touch ID, so you can use your fingerprint to unlock, 8 gigs of memory and 512 gigabytes of storage. And of course, is being powered by that lovely A series chip that was previously in the iPhone 16. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. On the other side, you have the Apple logo, and then the Apple logo, and then 2 pull straps. That's how you get inside the box. So we'll go ahead and rip the first pull strap off, just like that, and then we'll go ahead and dive into the second one. Now that the pull straps are off, we can flip the box around, and voila, we've got our first taste of the Citrus MacBook. Now, the cool thing about this MacBook, it's the first one to say hello. It just says hello right here on the front of it. The pull tab, and you can just pull it up just like that, and out comes the Mac. Now, my favorite part of these unboxings is, of course, the design by Apple in California. Every Apple product typically has that in there, but this hello staple here is new. I'm curious if that will go over to all the other laptops as well. So inside the box, there's not much. You've got one MacBook Neo quick start guide. It shows you where all the things are. Nothing too fancy, very simple. And then you also have the charger, which is a 20-watt USB adapter and a braided cable here, USB-C to USB-C to charge your MacBook Neo. So pretty simple stuff there. I'll go ahead and put that stuff back in the box, and then we'll dive into the actual laptop itself. So we'll put the box to the side, and here we have it. This is the white MacBook Neo. It's the citrus color. I'm gonna flip it over and go ahead and rip this paper peel off. So it just comes off just like that. And look at our lovely new computer. I'm gonna discard the paper, put that over to the side, and we have it. Let's take a look at the ports. So on the side, there's just one speaker here. On the other side, there's another speaker. So the speaker's on the side of the laptops. You've got a headphone jack right here. And then you've got 2 USB-C ports, which is pretty simple. Now, these are not Thunderbolt ports, so they don't, do fast transfers. And one of them is a lower transfer rate than the other. So interesting design choice from Apple to put, USB 2.0 port and a USB 3.0 port. But they're both USB-C, so you can charge your devices that way. Now, let's go ahead and boot this up for the very first time. So you just lift up. The Apple logo comes on. We take the paper out. And the lovely thing about this laptop, the MacBook Neo, the keyboard, the magic keyboard that's on this device, comes with the same color. So, they've got various colors. From the citrus model that we have here, the keys are actually painted in a light citrus color as well. Now it just says hello, and it has hello in multiple languages. So I'm gonna flip this around here and see what it's like to boot this up for the very first time. I'm gonna go ahead, use my mouse and click the continue button. It's asking for my language, so I can go ahead and select English here, and then we'll go ahead and hit next. Now it's asking for accessibility settings, so I like to go into Vision. We'll turn on a few accessibility settings like Zoom, which allows me to zoom in like this when holding down the control button. I like that a lot. We'll go ahead and hit continue, and then the other accessibility setting that I like is dark mode everything. We'll go ahead and enable that. So in this laptop model, we selected the one with Touch ID, which allows us to use the fingerprint sensor to scan in our fingerprint just like that. And we can just place our finger on the fingerprint sensor, and it's really cool because if you want to log into your computer immediately, this is like the fastest way. You just place your finger right over the sensor and it unlocks instantly. We can press the continue button like that, and we're good to go. Welcome, there we go. We've set up our MacBook Neo. We just press this get started, and we're introduced to the desktop screen here with our dock at the very bottom and the lovely green matching wallpaper, the citrus matching wallpaper that actually spells out Mac, the M, the A, and the C. So really cool to see that there. So just within seconds, we were able to get our MacBook Neo set up with our user account. Super cool. You can still open the MacBook with one finger. That was the famous Steve Jobs design requirement. You should not have to use two hands to open a MacBook, and that applies to the MacBook Neo. This thing is made out of aluminum. It's solid, it's sturdy, it feels great in the hand, and it reminds me a lot of the old, 12-inch MacBook that came out about, 10 years ago? And this is super fascinating. When I open it, I'm presented with my desktop. I can go ahead and open up things like Safari, search the internet. We can go over to the Apple website and look what's there. MacBook Neo, an amazing Mac with a surprising price. We can learn more about the Mac. Super affordable for everyone to get started with Mac OS. So you can see all the different colors it comes in here. Of course, we've got the citrus, but it also comes, in these three other colors, from silver, indigo, and I'm forgetting, it's a pink, but it's like blush, I think that they call it. So super exciting that we've got the brand new MacBook Neo in our hands. Now, my favorite test that we've seen a lot that you can do on Mac, you can open up the applications folder, select every application, press Command O, and it's like, are you sure you want to open up 53 items? Yes, we are sure. We're going to open up every single application on this computer and look at it go. The Mac is so powerful on this brand new A-series chip. Well, it's not brand new, it came out a few years ago, but it's placed on the Mac for the very first time. And it's so powerful that it can run every single application on this computer without a hiccup. Now, you try this on a Windows computer and especially with a basic Intel processor, it's gonna kill the computer. It's not gonna work. So you can see just how powerful the Mac is with this computer chip in it. It's still opening up applications. There's no spinning beach ball. There's no errors. There's no RAM messages, letting you know that you're out of memory. This computer is so powerful, and I think a lot of people are underestimating how powerful it is. It's really going to change the way you get started. It's perfect for the student or the creator that wants to try out the Mac ecosystem. You're going to be able to try out for just $500, $599. Depending on whether you have the student discount or you buy it at retail price, it's going to be really special to be able to get your hands on Mac OS. You can see all the windows open up. I've got multiple windows open up with all the applications on this computer, and it's still going. You can see the ones bouncing down in the dock that are letting us know that it needs requirement for actions and stuff. But every single application on this computer is running simultaneously right now, and it's doing it butterly smooth. We can move between applications here. We can allow some different weather icons and locations. So super cool that we can do this. We can open up the weather app. You can see the weather app. We can go back to Safari and open up the MacBook Neo. So we got the citrus color, thanks to everyone that voted on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go to Envision with Justin. At Envision with Justin, give me a follow. I post all kinds of behind the scenes content there. So I put out a poll and I'm like, what color MacBook would you all like me to check out? Everyone voted citrus. So it's powered by an iPhone processor that came out about a year ago, the A18 Pro chip. You may think on paper that this can't compete with a high-end, fancy laptop, but one thing that I'm really excited about is that this is going to democratize access to the Mac ecosystem, specifically Mac OS. There are a lot of people that can't afford a $5,000 maxed out MacBook Pro, but can afford a $500, $600 MacBook Neo. And it gives them the tools to be able to professionally do things on the Mac. I've seen people run Final Cut Pro on this. Now, of course, you can't edit a full feature-length film on it, but doing a 5-minute YouTube video or science project on it, it's a definite yes. This MacBook is going to change the lives of so many people, and I'm really excited to see it get in the hands of all types of creatives and Mac users out there. I'm stunned. Well, I've seen people run DaVinci Resolve on it. I've seen people run Lightroom on it. I think people are going to push it to its limits. And I think you're not going to be disappointed when you do. A demo of how powerful the MacBook Neo is, and you can see now successfully every single application on this computer is open, and we can sort between them without any lag. We've got the Photos app, we've got the Stocks app, we've got Image Playground, we've got the calendar, we can do Command Tab. You can see how buttery smooth that is. I can go between shortcuts and stocks and Safari. So we can do expose again and see every application on this computer running simultaneously without any issues at all. Most people, when they start out editing videos in 2026, they don't start out on a Mac. They start out on their smartphone, whether that's in the Instagram editor or the TikTok editor or some other editor. They start out in a very basic phone system. And now a phone chip is powering the MacBook Neo and allowing more advanced applications to run at the same time. So I expect the same people that edit their videos on their mobile phone, whether it's in CapCut or Adobe Premiere or Instagram or TikTok video editor, no matter what phone app they use, I expect those same people to be perfect customers of the MacBook Neo because it's powered by the same processor that already edits their videos on their phones. So I'm really passionate and excited about this brand new MacBook Neo. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. I think when this first came out, people are like, oh, it's not gonna really run advanced stuff. But no, it runs advanced stuff at the lightest level, at the earliest stages. So really cool to see this work. Appreciate you checking out today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Put in my card.
So everything got open, even if it's underneath something?
It's chill, I can wait 10 minutes.
It's doing all the pro stuff.
Really use the cable that's in the box. You can
Thank you.
Like say for school or something.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
One of the kind Apple Store employees pointed out to me that the MacBook Neo knows what color it is. It's actually really fascinating. When you open it and right click, if we go over here and make a new folder, the folder is the same color of the actual MacBook Neo. So this is a citrus MacBook Neo, and then it creates a citrus folder. Now, another cool thing is the highlights for this, you can see are in citrus as well. If I go ahead and go to the Apple website, you can see the loading bars in citrus. And then if I highlight the text, the Apple highlighted text there in the URL is highlighted in citrus. So Apple has personalized each individual MacBook Neo with its own color. So not only is the keyboard colored the same color as the actual MacBook Neo, but also the highlights and the folders. All you have to do is just, right click and make a new folder. We'll go back to our desktop, we'll minimize this. So right click, make a new folder, click that, and voila. It's just really a small touch, but really cool that Apple made the highlights and folders the exact same color as the actual MacBook Neo. So if you have a indigo, a blue MacBook Neo, your folders and highlights will be blue. And if you have a citrus, or this is, the citrus model, so it will look just like this with the green citrus highlights in folders. And then if you have the blush, the pink MacBook Neo, your folders, wallpaper, keyboard design, all will look pink and blush like. So really cool touch that Apple has done to the MacBook Neo.